And the horn is sound, and we're underway here. And Markel Lang, the first big hit of this Mercy Heat ride. McCaffrey now into it. He's lighting his man up. Goes head on with Cynthia Thorpe. Lang's in there. He's banging and crashing. Flying backwards now into Petra. Petra now goes head on with McCaffrey. In the 896 car. John Faulkner going in with Markel. Faulkner coming around here to nick the side of the car of Petra. Petra's got that car rolling. And he's not ready to stop now. Oh, Cynthia Thorpe hit him. Oh, and what a collision there as Von Fobb absolutely steamrolling his way right into the Trask Roofing emblem there on Petra's ride. And they might have knocked each other out of commission here on this one. No, looks like both guys going to get back into it. Markel Lang into it with McCaffrey, who's out. Lang trying to stay alive in this heat. Heavy collision there. Again, making some noise in the fray. Darcy King looking to get engineered. He's backing up here. He's got a man in his sights. Cynthia Thorpe with a big collision and then flopped into her. Here comes King. Oh, and a big time hit on Petra, aligned with Bob. Both guys spinning their wheels. There and Petra locked up on the front end, locked up on the back. And Thorpe giving it there to Bob. Looks like on the far end, Markel Lang out of it, along with Brad McCaffrey. Cynthia Thorpe, let's make some noise for her. Here she comes. A hit in again on Bob. Trying to jar him loose. Come on here, folks. Let's bring it home. Petra trying to get unlocked here. Oh, horn is sounded. And I believe
when vehicles are not running, the last hit is really important. You need to be the last hit.
And we're right back underway here as Cynthia just backs right into Fob there. Don Fob trying to get his ride working again. King as well. Got Petra on the far end. A lot of steam coming out the engine. And Cynthia's lost a tire. That back right tire. But you think that's stopping her? No, it's not. Looks like flag is down for Fob. Cynthia rolling on three wheels, so it's the front right-hand side. Laying down on the track. But she's still pushing. And now it's down the horn of sound.